Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
If your phone shows live wallpaper not supported, the launcher is usually responsible. Many default launchers disable live wallpaper APIs to save battery. Android versions like 10, 11, 12 enforce these compatibility choices. This video shows the only way that reliably restores live wallpapers across devices. You will install a supported launcher, enable live wallpaper permissions, and set the wallpaper from the start by choosing a supported launcher like Launcher, Nova, or Pixel Launcher. Go to Settings and install the launcher from the Play Store. Open Settings, then Apps, then Special App Access, and enable Draw over Apps. Also enable wallpaper and storage permissions for the launcher you installed. Press Home and select the new launcher as default. Finally, open the System Wallpaper Picker and apply your live wallpaper to the home screen. After applying the live wallpaper, reboot the phone to ensure changes take effect. If the wallpaper still fails, open Settings and disable Battery Saver. Check developer options for background process limits and turn those off. Confirm the new launcher is not background restricted in app settings. If conflicts persist, uninstall other launchers, then reapply the live wallpaper. These verification steps solve most remaining issues and keep live wallpaper functioning reliably on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.